All right,
here.
tell us what we're looking at here, Mike.
So this image is an image we just now went over. Today is the 23rd of June, 2023. This tree is full of bait fish. Full of bait, maybe one small bass down here in the bottom. I don't know that that's a bass. In July of 2021, this is the same exact tree right here, full of big fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see the big blips. If you look, when I go to the sonar, you'll actually see the boomerang, the half boomerangs and all the red marks. And you can look at my 2Ds here, there is no red marks. You don't have any of the, got a couple small fish right here, which are the lines on the bottom. But this is the same exact tree right here.
Same image, okay. That's really good to see. So when people are looking for bass, this is what they're looking for.
Same image of this tree right here with big fish on it.
There's where the big fish are.
Big fish on it,
And
no fish on it.
There's no fish, same image.
This is 2023, this is 2021.
All right. Thank you for that. I think a lot of people don't know what bass look like on a screen. So they go over it and they just, you know, they just miss out on it. So, good lesson.
Let's move along.